If you are in the insurance industry in Kenya as a professional or a business owner in the industry, you should consider starting an online business or an income-generating online business in Kenya. In fact, even if you are actually not a professional in the industry, but you are a consumer of insurance products and services, you can actually be able to start an income-generating online business by leveraging the power of the internet to share your own experience with the products and services in the insurance sector. This is where you share your own personal story in terms of how it relates to the insurance industry, how maybe the insurance sector has helped you, how it has helped your business, how the services and products either has been good or bad according to you. And those are things that actually you have experienced and you continue to experience in life. Therefore, it is possible to actually use that story to build an income-generating online business based on the insurance experiences that you have had. But that is when you're just looking at it not as a professional but as a consumer, an ordinary person who is interested in the insurance sector, but you have not probably even acquired the qualification required to actually work in the industry. You have a story that you can tell. What you'll find is that your story has a lot of value. It is very important. It's part of who you are. And you can be able to actually use that story to build an income-generating online business in Kenya. You can be able to use your story in the insurance sector or in relation to how you have interacted with the various insurance sector products, services to build a money-making online business in Kenya. But if you are a professional or someone who works in the industry, then this even makes a lot of sense for you, because you can actually be able to monetize that expertise, those skills, and the knowledge that you have acquired while working in the insurance industry in Kenya. You can use it to build an income-generating online business by monetizing that particular knowledge. And you are not the first one and you won't be the last to be able to do it, because if you go online right now and look for either blogs or YouTube channels that talk about insurance and related topics, you are going to find quite a number of people who are already doing very well building their online businesses using that insurance knowledge. And this would not be a difficult thing for you to do because you know the subject matter. So it's a question now of taking time to research and understand how an online business works, picking the right online business model that you want to pursue or the one that you want to use in terms of making money. Also figuring out the best online business idea in Kenya that you want to actually focus on. And there are quite a number of ways on how you can be able to make money with your insurance online business in Kenya. In fact, some of the ideas that you'll work on, that you'll be able to build and implement in your online business in Kenya may end up making more money than the money that you are making at the moment. And if you run a business, then having an online business actually provides you with visibility, gives you a chance to actually attract leads or customers, and also becomes another revenue center for your insurance business. Let me give you examples of something that you can do that can have a lot of potential in helping you build an income-generating online business in Kenya, especially in the insurance industry. You can actually start an insurance blog or an insurance YouTube channel where you talk about topics related to insurance. These two platforms, YouTube and a blog, you can be able to make money from them in a number of ways. You can be able to monetize your insurance blog in Kenya in a number of ways, meaning there are quite a number of ways on how your insurance blog can be able to make you money. Think of display advertising, affiliate marketing. You can use it to sell your own digital products where you probably package the insurance knowledge that you have into a downloadable project or an ebook, or you can even create a course. You may actually use that blog to establish your coaching or consulting business. Similarly, you can be able to implement some of those strategies on your YouTube channel in Kenya. So you should start an insurance YouTube channel where again you share your knowledge, expertise and skills on topics related to insurance in Kenya. And your insurance YouTube channel in Kenya can also be able to make money from display advertising. You can use it to actually promote your own digital products. You can also use it to promote your coaching or consulting business. You also can implement affiliate marketing, among very many other monetization strategies. So as you can see, you can use, for example, a blog or a YouTube channel as the foundation of your income generating online business in Kenya. And the good thing is, these are not difficult to actually start and build. All you need is your phone, your laptop, and internet connectivity or data, which I suppose you already have if you're actually watching this particular video. When it comes to building an insurance-based online business in Kenya, there are 3 stages or 3 phases that I want you to consider and think about when you are doing this. Stage 1 involves building of an audience. Stage 2 involves building trust with that audience. And stage 3 is about monetization or making money with your online business. These 3 stages are actually very important, and you need to be able to understand the sequence with which you are going to actually work on them, because they actually end up working together to help you generate an income from your online business in Kenya. When you talk about building an audience, you're talking about being clear on who your target market is, on who your target or ideal customer is. And once you are clear on that particular aspect, knowing who you want to help and knowing the problem you want to solve and how you want to help them, then you want to use content to actually attract that audience. You want to be able to create either blog posts, you want to create YouTube videos, or you want to create podcasts to actually build a community of people who are interested in that thing that you're talking about. So in this case, you want to look for people who are looking for the insurance product or solutions that you can actually provide. Once you have been able to create a mechanism that actually generates for you an audience or helps you build an audience, the next step is actually building trust with that audience. And this is simple because what you're looking at is being able to build rapport with the people that you want to serve, with your customers, with your ideal customers. And this is because we only do business with the people that we trust. So if you want your audience to buy from you, then you need to find a way for them to trust you. And when you study marketing, sales and marketing, you learn that it takes a number of touches, a number of engagement with your potential customers to get them to a level where they feel comfortable for them to be able to part with their money and buy the product or the service that you're providing. In essence, most talk about 7 instances of connection. They need to actually interact with you for about 7 times. That can be either they have watched your videos enough times to get to a level where they are comfortable that you understand what you're talking about, or they have read your material, and in some cases they even have interacted with you on a physical level. However, when you're thinking of an online business, you're looking for ways that you can be able to build that trust on the internet. And the best way you can be able to do this is establishing a way in which you can be able to incorporate email marketing into your online business. And that's an entire video on itself on how email marketing works and how you can use it for your online business. The third stage or phase is making money or monetizing your online business. And I know this might be the most interesting bit, or the one that you're really interested in. You want to find out how you can be able to make money with your online business. Now, there are quite a number of monetization strategies that you can execute, that you can use to make money with your online business in Kenya, especially when you're building an insurance-based online business in Kenya. You need to understand those models, because once you figure out how you're going to make money, then that informs your business strategy, it informs your content strategy, it informs how you are going to engage with your ideal customer. So these three phases work hand in hand. You need to actually build all of them, and probably each of the phase will require a different set of online skills that either you have them or you need to acquire. But the beautiful thing about all this is that you can be able to do it. You have everything that you need to build an insurance-based online business in Kenya. If you ask me, you should give this idea a chance. You should give it a shot. You should actually try to start building an insurance-based online business in Kenya. And if you'd want to learn more on how you can be able to go about this, the kind of mindset that you need to have, some of the phases or the system that you might require to be able to turn it into a successful online business in Kenya, watch the video on your screen right now. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not, and I'll see you in the next video.